Welcome to our AI book review series, where we explore the most insightful and thought-provoking books on artificial intelligence. In an era where AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, staying informed is essential for business leaders. Hosted by Johann Stein from AI for Business, we bring you regular reviews of the latest books on AI, helping you navigate key ideas, breakthroughs, and ethical debates shaping the future. Our goal is to highlight the best reads that provide practical insights for decision makers. See the link below and subscribe for more AI book reviews in the near future.
Today, we're diving into one of the most important books on artificial intelligence right now, Agentic Artificial Intelligence, Harnessing AI Agents to Reinvent Business, Work, and Life. AI has already changed our world, from how we communicate to how we work. But what's coming next is even bigger. The rise of AI agents. These aren't just tools that respond to our commands. They are intelligent systems that can think, act, and learn with minimal human supervision. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just give you search results, but completes tasks for you. Where businesses don't just analyze data, but have AI-driven agents making strategic decisions in real time. This book explores how AI agents will revolutionize the way we interact with technology. The authors, who have worked with companies of all sizes, from global corporations to startups, offer a deep and practical guide to this new era. They explain how businesses can harness AI agents to automate complex tasks, improve efficiency, and even unlock new revenue streams. The potential benefits are massive. Companies using AI agents effectively have seen costs drop by over 25%, while improving customer satisfaction by more than 40%. That's not just innovation, that's transformation. But it's not just about the potential. The book also explores the reality, the challenges, risks, and roadblocks that come with implementing AI agents. One of the biggest hurdles is workflow integration. How do you ensure that AI agents work seamlessly within an organization without disrupting operations? Then there's data quality. AI agents are only as good as the data they learn from. If the data is biased, incomplete, or inaccurate, these agents won't deliver the results you expect. And of course, there's user adoption. People need to trust and understand AI for it to be successful. The authors provide hands-on strategies to navigate these pitfalls, ensuring businesses use AI responsibly and effectively. A key concept in this book is what the authors call compounding intelligence advantages. AI agents don't just maintain efficiency, they improve over time. The more they are used, the smarter they become. This means businesses that adopt AI agents early will pull ahead, leaving those that delay struggling to catch up. The book makes it clear, this isn't a passing trend. AI agents are here to stay, and they will shape the future of work, business, and even society itself. One of the most thought-provoking aspects of this book is its discussion on leadership in the AI era. It's not just about adopting new technology, it's about shaping it. If AI agents really are the next frontier in technology, then understanding them isn't optional, it's essential. And this book provides the knowledge you need to navigate and lead in this new era. So, what do you think? Are AI agents the future of work? Will they make life easier? Or do they pose risks we haven't fully considered? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights. See you next time.
Thank you for tuning in to our AI book review series. We trust you found today's review insightful and thought-provoking. Staying updated on AI is essential for business leaders, and we're here to bring you the best books to help you navigate this rapidly evolving field. Be sure to sign up at the link below for future book reviews and stay informed on the latest trends in AI. Let us know in the comments which AI book you'd like us to review next.